Kuyo kod buok okwako skundi yawuoyi ma Nyabondo, kaunti ma Kisumu, bang' cho osienyore kod nyithindo 4 kuma achiel ne owito ngimane. Job Hillary ma en jaklas 9 en achiel kuom jopuonjre mane oluar ka chono osienyore. Ringre oseyangi ka nonro pod dhi nyime.
3 other boys were injured. One was treated and discharged. A few minutes ago, we went to the hospital to see the other 2 boys who were admitted, but they are very, very okay. They are in stable conditions. I have talked to them. They just told me they also had like as if it is sand and some dust, and then the toilet sank into the hole.
Apisa mar migao mar somo mang'iyo rang'iny mar somo e kaunti ma Kisumu, Arita Bwana, owacho ni masira no nopoyo telo mar skul ka wachore ni chochego nyocha neno motegno.
The ministry does quite an out of follow-up about the structures in the schools to ensure that they are safe for occupation. Even when we notice any cracks in the building, especially the kind of soils that are mainly lower Nyakach, the soil structure there is a bit poor, so we always advise on what happens. If we see any cracks, we usually ask for the structural engineers to move in and check. But for this toilet, I don't think there was any cracks reported.
Migao mar somo timo mos mathoth ewi masira no.
We located the body of one of the students that we have lost, Job Hillary. We are very sorry, and we are with the school and the parents. This is a sorry incident, but it's purely kind of an accident after the soil around the toilet got loose and it collapsed on one side and then sank in all of it.
Obila ne okawo ringre mosenindo motero e kar kano ringre joma osenindo ma Nyabondo. E sama jonyuol medo kwayo ni nonro otim mapiyo kendo jopuonjre olosnegi choche mamoko motegno e kindeni. Judith Omondi, Ramogi TV.